Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now let us go to the examples, dear students. If he had invited me, I would have attended the function. If there was a short supply of any commodity, if there was a short supply of any commodity, prices of that commodity increase. This is the thing that we have studied earlier. Now, one more example. If he had tried to cheat me, if he had tried to cheat me, if if he had tried to cheat me, try to cheat me, I would have dismissed him. I would have dismissed him. If he had tried to cheat me, I would have dismissed him. I would have dismissed him. If clause is in past perfect tense, and then in the main clause would have, and then V3 is used. So uh, up to now we have seen that mainly conditional sentence is divided into two parts. Conditional sentence is divided into two parts, if clause and main clause. And according to the sense, the main clause is in simple future tense, future indicating words are used, and here you see the structure of the main clause in this sentence is uh, would have and then V3. And if clause may have simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, simple past tense, and in this sentence you see the past perfect tense is there in the if clause. My dear friends, if you have any doubt, you can ask. You can ask about this today's topics. Topic B, conditional sentence if clause in past, and topic C, conditional clause, conditional sentences if clause in past tense, in past perfect tense. सर या टॉपिकवर त्यांचे प्रश्न घ्यायचे काही अडी अडचणी असतील तर ऋषिकेश सर प्लीज त्यांचे काही डाऊट वगैरे असेल तर ते घ्यायचे आहेत प्लीज.
Hello,
हॅलो.
participants. Please raise your hands if you have queries. If you have queries, then raise your hands. No one have doubts, sir.
ओके सर, थँक्यू सर. Now, dear friends, now let me recap this. Conditional sentences. Conditional sentences are classified. Conditional sentences are classified. One sentence is classified into two, if clause and main clause. But overall, these sentences are classified into if clause, present tense, if clause, past tense, and if clause, past perfect tense. Okay. While studying This a sentence, conditional sentence, can be classified into, it can be divided into part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is if clause and part 2 is main clause. Okay, so condition is there in the if clause, and main clause will supply the result or answer. Now, conditional sentences, for their study, for their convenient study, we divided into three, or the grammarians have divided into three. Number one, or A, conditional sentence, if clause in present tense. For example, if it rains, he will not come in time. In the section 1 of A, we have seen that if clause is in simple present tense, while main clause is in future tense. Future indicative words are there like will, then shall, may, can, should, could, etc. For example, if it rains, he will not come in time. If the fog gets thicker, the plane may be late. And in section 2 of A, if clause is in simple present tense and main clause is in also simple present tense, but action itself is happening. For example, if you heat ice, it turns to water. If you boil water, it turns to vapor. If there is a shortage of a commodity, its prices goes up. Then section 3 A meka. So A section 3, in if clause you see present continuous tense, and according to the sense, will, should, may, can, will or shall is used in the main clause. Most of the things depend on the sense also. Now, if you are waiting for a taxi, you should better go there. If you are looking for Raju, you may find him in the park this way. Then A section 4, present continuous tense is there in the if clause, and according to the necessity, will or would or shall is used in the main clause. For example, if you have finished dinner, I will ask the waiter for ice cream. If he has written the poem, I will send it to the publisher. If you have seen the Victoria Palace, we would better go to see the Taj Mahal today. Then we have started conditional sentences B, if clause in past. In all these examples, you have seen that the if clause sentences are in simple past tense. Very first, if I had an umbrella, I would lend it to you. If clause is in simple past tense, whereas in the main clause, would is used, and then main verb is in its first form. Then section 2 of B, we have seen if he had tried to threaten me, I would inform his father. So simple past tense is there in the if clause, but after the V2, infinitive is used. Then we have seen number 3, if anyone abused him, he became angry. Simple past tense is there in the if clause, and in main clause, would is not used. Main verb is in its second form. For example, if anyone abused him, he became angry. So became is the second form of the verb become. If he interrupted him, he got angry. If his friend interrupted him, he got angry. Then if there was a short supply of any commodity, prices of that commodity increased. Here, if clause is in simple past tense, and main clause is also in simple past tense. Main verb is increased, and its a second form increased is used. Then we have completed, my dear friends, conditional sentences, if clause in past perfect. In all these examples, you will see the if clause is in past perfect tense. If clause is in past perfect tense. If clause is in past perfect tense. If he had come to me, I would have helped him. So in these kinds of category or the conditional sentence C, if he had come to me, I would have helped him. यदि वह मेरे पास आता तो मैं उसकी सहायता करता, लेकिन वो मेरे पास आया नहीं, ऐसा उसका मीनिंग होता है. If he had come to me, अगर वो मेरे पास आया होता, I would have helped him. तो जरूर मैं उसकी मदद करता, लेकिन fact is that he did not come to me, so there was no question of helping him. What was the condition? If he had come to me. So इसमें जो मेन इसमें conditional sentence जो है if clause, that is in past perfect tense, and main clause would, have, and then V3. If she had invited me, I would have attended the function. If he had invited me, I would have attended the party. If he had tried to cheat me, if he had tried to cheat me, I would have dismissed him. I would have dismissed him. If he had tried to cheat me, I would have dismissed him. So my dear friends, in this way, we have studied the conditional sentences. And from 1st of June, the detailed study again will be taken of English grammar. Actually, we have time limitations. That's why main points and examples we are taking, which are very important, my dear friends. But we have time limitations, and that's why some highlighted points we are taking, some important examples we are taking. Actually, English is a very vast subject and very important subject. The person who is good at English, that person can have the advantages of his perfection of English in other subjects also. So try to develop your English, try to develop your English grammar, and I request you, my dear friends, you do the revision, you do the study. Don't break the link of English study. Don't break the link of English. So for today, we stop here today, my dear friends. Uh, you have, I wish you have very happy day rest of the day. We again see tomorrow at the same time with the same subject, very important subject. Thank you. सर या ठिकाणी आपण थांबू.
सर क्वेश्चन्स आलेले आहे.
हा विचारा द्या.
सर कॅन यू dissimulate if clause of past tense and if clause of past perfect tense from Mandar?
Okay, if clause
of past tense and if clause of past perfect tense.
I'm going to chatting, sir. Please, chat section. What is the question? Let him ask, sir. Let him ask. Please unmute him, or ask him to write in chat.
Mandar,
please. What do you want about it?
Sir.
Actually, past perfect tense with its a formula we have completed some 2 to 3 days back. Okay, I think you were absent on that day. No problem. The formula of the past perfect tense is very simple. Remember or write down. Note down the formula of the past perfect tense. Subject plus had. Subject plus had plus V3. V3 means third form of the verb and plus object. Aditya, note down. Subject, you can give the title, formula of the past perfect tense. And then just below it, you can write just below the title, you write down subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Example, I had written a letter. We had attended the party. I had written a letter. Number 2, we had attended the party. My friend had invited me for the function. They had completed their study. This way. Again, remember the structure or the formula of past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus V3. V3 means third form of the verb. This is the past participle form of the verb. And then object. Okay. Next.
Vedant.
Vedant.
Sir, he write his question in a chair.
Okay. My dear friends, I request you, please, if you have query or the doubt, you have to ask them about the current topic. Current topic, please. When the subject matter is going on, at that time you have to be very attentive. We have dismissed him is is in which tense? Yes, dear friends, actually I will have dismissed him. This becomes, okay, look at here. Pay attention to this. I will have dismissed him becomes the future perfect tense. Okay. But here, would is the past form of will. Would is the past form of will. Actually, this is the past perfect tense which not happened. Hello. Hello. You don't get confused about this to the tense, dear friend. You don't get confused to the tense. Would is used only because the if clause is in past perfect tense. Here, this is the past incident which is not happened. I would have dismissed him. मी त्याला dismiss केले असते, परंतु ती घटना घडलीच नाही. You have to do the practice more and more, then you will very much be acquainted with the nature of English grammar. For this, more and more practice is important. It's my request to you, my dear friends, all you people, I request you, please get admission as soon as possible our English grammar in complete detail, because we have much time in our NDA preparation classes. In for the SPI entrance, we have very short time. We have very short period. Most of the things I have to design in these periods only. But we have more and more time for our NDA preparation, so that we could continue the detailed study without any breakage, without breaking any link. And our lectures are going to start on 1st of June. We have many days or many months, and then we can study more detail of this English grammar. Here, I would have dismissed him. You don't get confused with the tense. Here, you will see if he had to cheat me. This is the past perfect tense, and that's why would is used. Instead of using will, would is used. So first is in past, and that's why second is used in past. But this is the action which did not happen in the past. This is the natural style of English. I would have dismissed him. मी त्याला dismiss केले असते. It was in the past, but the action did not happen. Next, if he had tried to cheat me, I would have dismissed him. In this sentence, I would have dismissed him is in which the same question. Next, as soon as you get registered and get admission, English study is very important, and for that practice and detailed study of English is important. We have in this course time limitations. Next, बऱ्याच वेळेस काय होतं, काफी बार in most of the times you see what you write, it doesn't mean like that. And such kinds of problems happens with many students because English is not our first language, it is not our tongue language, and if you want to understand them clearly, we have to study them in detail, and for that we have to give the time. We have to do the study and revision. First of all, we have to give the time. Next,
whether your doubt is clear. Vedant Vikas Wagh.
though the tense seems to be the past perfect, but that action is not happen. मैंने उनको dismiss किया ही नहीं था. If he had tried to cheat me, this is the condition sentence. अगर उसने मुझे cheat किया होता तो फिर वो dismiss हो जाता, but he had not tried to cheat me. Next, काफी बार अपन उसको कंपेयर करते हैं अपनी लैंग्वेज के साथ, अपने मीनिंग के साथ. But to be natural, we have to study the grammar in detail. Next,
Sir, Mandar raised again. Oh, sorry.
sorry.
Sir, no one have doubts, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. और उनको मैंने कहा है कि जल्दी से जल्दी अपना एडमिशन कंफर्म कर ले, क्योंकि ये जो 1 महीने का पीरियड होता है ये बहुत लिमिटेड पीरियड है इंग्लिश स्टडी के लिए. इंग्लिश स्टडी इज वेरी वास्ट, एंड जैसे कि हम एनडीए का प्रिपरेशन करते हैं तो उसके लिए इंग्लिश बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो फर्स्ट जून से अपने पास काफी टाइम रहेगा तो आप बहुत कुछ डिटेल में कर सकते हैं. और ये जो टॉपिक्स है, ये जो कंसेप्ट्स है, दे आर इंटर रिलेटेड, एक दूसरे पर निर्भर होता है. सो अगेन एंड अगेन स्टडिंग English grammar in detail is very must, sir. It is important. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Try to join at 10:30. There will be the science lecture. Try to join at 10:30. There will be the science lecture.